Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is kind of a little bit different than normal. This one is Polybag 30548. And this is the Build Your Own Birds, Make It Yours Polybag. Now, doesn't seem like there's that many parts in this. Anyway, let's open it up and take a look. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, these Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing, because I have been doing one of these Polybag build-alongs one a day, every day, for the recent past, and plan on doing more for the foreseeable future. So, if you like this kind of thing, there are plenty already out there, and there are many more on the way. So, oh, and if you want this particular Polybag, I included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. There's not a whole lot to this Polybag, is there? I mean, like, there's some interesting pieces, but let's see. Shows you some interesting techniques here. We have some croissants. Let's see. Like, we got some little croissants, which it looks like they use as wings, and we have some popsicles. I gotta tell you, I have yet to see the popsicle. This is a new one on me. And we got these pieces. So let's see. All kinds of different things. So let's build that one right there. Alright. So that. And this becomes the feet. Like so. And then we got a little blue on the front. I feel like there's something on the back too. You see it right there? Looks like there's something on the back. I bet it's like a tail. Like, that's the tail. Like, this is the tail on the back. Like that. And then we got this thing for the neck. And got that for the neck. And then this is the beak and part of the head, and then this is like that, like so, and he's got croissant wings. So we attach the croissants to the side like so. I don't know. This is kind of a weird little Polybag. It was not very expensive. I think it was like $2. So check and make sure. I don't remember exactly. So this is the bird that I chose to make. So you got a bunch of eyes. You got some eyes. You got some popsicles. You got some more of these, which are kind of neat. And you have some actual wings. I don't know. It's kind of an interesting little set. You can definitely do things with it, but I don't know. If I'm going to have this, I kind of want more. If I want to make little abstract birds, I kind of want more pieces to choose from. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is this like a good idea for a set or not? I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about this one. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.